or U shape. Very rare people will do the U shapes. In case if they are having a lot of concept, that time they will do the U shape concept. Or else most of them also T shape. T shape in the sense the entry and the exit and the runway. That's a T shape. So one side you will get a runway for entry, one side for exit. Or in case female models and male models if they are clubbing, so that time female come on that side and male models will come on this side. So center stage will be for posing. So then your runway will start. So that's the ending point. There will be nothing. So photo session. So see when you just going to end point, so there are ways to exit the stage. You directly cannot come and like that. Okay, it's done. I cannot directly exit like that. So I take you. So when walking, so this is the walk you were just running in this way. When you posing here, so either one step back, two step back, exit. That's for male models. So you directly cannot walk like this. You cannot walk like this. So that's the basic. So either pose however it is possible. One step back. So that shows the professionalism. Because once you turn back, you should not turn back. So that's the point. So here. So in case if you are turning on this side, you have to take a right steps and turn back. Left side is only when all the models are coming up. So they are clubbing inside or straight out they do. That's what is straight out. So people should go outside one side on that side, right side. Like that they will exit outside. So most of people like show in that so there also they will stand. People will stand over or will stand there. So that's a posing point. So here you should not wait for maximum more than 1 minute. That's the maximum point. That's 1 minute is for your posing. Usually nobody will take for already on 1 minute. So 2-3 steps they will take, they will pose here because even the camera will focusing on you. They will capture 2-3 pictures immediately on body in a fraction of a second they will capture the pictures and all. So you don't need to wait for a long period of time. So short period they will picture, they will take a second. You have to as much as possible you have to exit. So and do not walk in a very fast way. See the focus when you're walking, so it should be very slow. Not like how females are walking. Females walking, you know that how they are walking styles. You should not even walk in that way also. Should be in a proper way. Should not be more speed, should not be very less speed. So when you just do very less speed, you are walking way means the footsteps. So it will reduce actually. So you will immediately forget that okay, these steps I am just taking, so that you will forget immediately. If you are walking immediately, okay, you are coming like this and immediately you are walking, feel like okay, you are worried actually, you are in a tension. So that mindset will come for a opposite jury sessions actually. So you should not do that actually. Basic things. When you go for a pageant show, what jury will have? Being a jury, what I have to do is, so okay, how they are coming inside, how confident he is. So one is confident, no? Where he is just looking at his eye contact, where he is. So and how is runway, how he is just walking, posing, that posing is totally not yet required only. Only thing is the confidence, the walking style, eye contact. That's the main thing. And some of the shows they will ask for a question set also. So that's a later point. When you select it, then they will ask most of the time. Simply they will ask it why you just selected modeling field. Once they will ask what is your professional. So based on that, one by one question they will start. That's for your knowledge and how passionate you are about the modeling industry. That's the key things. And sometimes you cannot make a modeling as a full-time professional, but sometimes it is possible. It is not that every time it is not at all possible. Sometimes it is possible. So something like if you are not working, so by that time it is a little bit problem because usually shoots will be there one day grooming session will be there, the fittings will be there by the time. Next day shoots will be there. Shoots will be usually evening time it will start. So morning first and anyway, the fitting will be there. That's all you concepts. So any doubts you have? It's open call. It's open call. Anything you can just ask.
What is one thing that you from your journey? What is one thing that you suggested to do?
I prefer